Hey guys, it's Lechamas47. I need to tell you something, you guys, about my controller. It won't start if I put the batteries, and it won't turn it on. Now if I switch batteries, see, it won't start. Well, it won't turn it on. If I put this one, the charging battery, same thing. It doesn't start. It won't turn it on. Guys, this controller is brand new, but I still have the red controller. That controller still works. But why this one? Why? This controller is brand new. I just got this like 2 months ago, and it won't turn it on. This thing is brand new. Well, looks like I need to get a new controller, because this controller is dead. Guys, I just want to apologize to my controller that it won't turn it on. So yeah, my controller is dead. Probably need to return it to Walmart. Yeah, I just got this controller at Walmart, but when I was playing Minecraft with my little sister, I'm sorry, I removed the batteries and it won't turn it on. I have no idea what just happened. Looks like this controller is dead. It's time to say goodbye to the controller. I'll put the word RIP. RIP Xbox controller, because it's dead. Looks like I need to get a new one. Am I gonna get a black controller? Well, I have money. I can buy a new one. The red controller, it works. You can see this one. It works fine, but except for that one is dead. Well, guys, I guess I'm gonna stop recording. This is goodbye for my white controller. I'm gonna apologize to this controller. I'm sorry that you won't start on because you're dead. Okay, so guys, just peace out. Like the video and make sure to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and I'll see you next time.